Hey, I am Arsen from AutoCAD Drafting Tips. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a single door dynamic block, so let's start. First of all, set the units. Select centimeters and click OK. Zoom. Type wipeout. Right-click, draw order, center back. Enable Ortho Mode Move Down 1. Move up 1 centimeter. Move up 1 centimeter. Move down 1 centimeter. Wipeout. Select Frames Off. Select Objects. Block. Name Dynamic Door Tutorial 1. Pick point. Open and block editor. Click OK. Zoom. Parameters. Base point. Linear. PR for properties. Distance 1, distance 2. Change number of grips 1. Distance 1. Change the distance name as thickness. Change distance 2 as distance name width. Zoom. Polyline. Make sure you draw the line from the middle vertex. Delete. Alignment. M2, P first point, second point. Make sure the arrow was pointing down. Annotate, Standard Manage Text Styles.
New.
Style name, New Text Style, and click OK. Annotative Match Text Orientation to Layout. Paper Text Height 10 centimeters. Apply and close. Insert. Define attributes. Tag D1 prompt. Enter door type default D1. Justification. Middle center text. Style new text style. Click OK. Click the center of the circle. Rotate. Define attributes. Tag with prompt enter the door width default insert field. Block placeholder. Width current precision 0. Click OK. Update distance justification. Middle center text style standard text height 10 cm. Rotation 90 degree. Click OK. Move. Define attributes. Tag, hide prompt. And add door height. Default 210 cm. Justification. Middle center, text style, standard text height 10 cm. Rotation 90 degree, click OK. Move. Move. Actions. Stretch. Select parameter, point. Create, stretch frame. Select, objects to stretch. Hold down, Shift to deselect objects. Stretch, select parameter point. Create, stretch frame. Select, objects to stretch. Select the stretch one. Distance, multiplier 0.5. Scale. Select parameter, select objects to scale. Stretch, select parameter point. Create, stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Hold, Shift to deselect objects. Stretch, select parameter. Select parameter point, create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. We chose the flip parameters. Select stretch 3. Distance, multiplier 0.5. Select parameter, select all objects. Flip, select parameter. Select all objects. Hold Shift to deselect objects. Close block editor, save the changes. Delete. Insert block, select the block. Click. Enter door type, D1. Enter door width, 90 cm. Enter door height, 220 cm. Click OK. Width, 100 cm. Regenerate. Zoom. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Thickness. Flip vertical. Right-click and reset block. Regenerate. Width. Regenerate. Finally, let's test the block. We quickly create a wall to see how the block works. Select the wall, right-click. Draw order center back. alignment. Subscribe the channel. Thank you for the watching.